Hi, Bob Murphy here today, owner of Central Jersey Security Cameras and Alarms. Today we're here at Ambassador Christian Academy at Grace Bible Church in Wall, New Jersey. Today we're installing access control on 3 of their buildings. Basically what that is a way to control who enters the building, who exits the building sometimes. Doors can be set on a schedule where they would open up at certain times, lock at certain times. It's a good way to control who comes and goes, and to keep a log of who actually entered the building, who left the building. Also comes with a cool feature where you can press a button either from your cell phone or anywhere in the building and lock down the entire building. And somebody who is not authorized to come into the building cannot enter the building. So it's a great system. We've been putting this in for a lot of churches and schools. Everyone's trying to get this done now before the open of school next week. So for more information, please visit our website at centraljerseysecuritycameras.com. Thank you.